Are you the kind of person that is tired of dealing with these things? Styrofoam crawl space vent covers. If you have used styrofoam vent covers before, then you know they are not built to last. They break, they have no secure way to be attached to the home, and often come loose and blow down the street. They only come in the color white, so they get dirty fast. They are ugly on your home. They crumble easily, and then you have to buy more. If you have ever used these on your home, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. Doesn't this look much better? Or maybe you're the kind of person that wants your home to be a little bit warmer in the cold winter months, or a little bit cooler in the hot summer months, to save on heating and cooling bills. Left uncovered, the crawl space vents in your home allow cold air to fill your crawl space, which drives up your heating costs in the winter and lets hot air fill up your crawl space in the summer, which raises your air conditioning bill. Or maybe you are the kind of person that takes great pride in their home with really nice landscaping, and you like having or want to have one of the nicest homes on your block. The home that has the best curb appeal? Why do people wash their car, shine their shoes, put makeup on, or even comb their hair? It's because they want themselves and their things to look their best. Why not do the same thing for the largest investment you'll ever make in your entire life? Your home. Well, now there is an easy way to solve all of those challenges and say goodbye to those cheap, crumbly styrofoam vent covers forever and say hello to Vanity Vents. Vanity Vents give you instant curb appeal as well as instant weatherization and comfort. Vanity Vents last a lifetime, do not discolor, break, warp, crumble, or fade. And they come in 4 beautiful colors. So, if you are tired of dealing with an inferior product like these, and you want a common sense way to effectively and tastefully cover the crawl space vents of your home, then order your Vanity Vent. And while styrofoam vent covers are not recyclable, Vanity Vents are 100% totally recyclable. Vanity Vents are designed and manufactured in the USA and are very easy to install. Anyone can do it. No tools required. It takes literally 3 seconds, and most homes can be completely fitted for typically less than $200 for a lifetime solution. Finally, your styrofoam headaches are gone. Take a look at the available colors and pick the color that is right for you. Email us at info@vanityvent.com or call 503-548-7444, and we'll be happy to help you beautify your home.